tour back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing a few hairstyles with passion twists. So we just gonna get right into it. We just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle. All I did was put a bun up top, and then I left a few pieces, like 2 pieces hanging out, so it still keep the little goddessy look it got to it. Like, yeah, so this is the first hairstyle. Okay, next hairstyle we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all up into a bun. So you're gonna need to sling your head over, and then you're gonna see me grab 2 passion twists from the middle of my head and wrap it around. So yeah, you're gonna see me do that. Now we're gonna twist. Now see, if I was really going somewhere, I would try to make sure the all the passion twists with the strings was showing, but I'm not really going nowhere, so I ain't gotta do all that. Excuse my edges, my passion twists get old, the hair is coming out. That's okay. This is a no judgment zone. That's okay. Now the next hairstyle we're gonna do is this simple 1-2. We're gonna pull 2 from right here, 2 from like the same side over there, and go just like this. And just twist them together in the back. Just like that, real cute and simple. Next, I'm going to attempt 2 ponytails. We're gonna see how that go. Yeah. let's call this style a comb over, because hold up. See, that's why I'm doing this video right now, before they get all types of raggedy, and then I won't be able to do the video no more. I'm finna take these out. That's why I'm doing this video. But we're gonna call this style the comb over, because it looks like a comb over, and I like it. I think it's cute. We're gonna do a full half up, half down. Yeah, you guys, so I think that's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to run through a few hairstyles really fast, because I know I'm going to be taking this style down soon. So yeah, I could have put more effort in and did more hairstyles and stuff, but I just wanted to run through real fast, see what I could do real quick off the top of the dome. Yeah, so like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Comment some video ideas if you would like to see something specific from me, and I'll see you in my next one.